Nike factory store in Torrance. And I'm so glad I stopped by here because they got 40% off the back wall. So it looks like some spots 30%, 40% off here. I just saw one of the workers walk by. Look at this, look at this. This is a grade school though. This is a size 7. But to be able to get this for 40% off, this is how my freaking channel started, being able to get Jordans for 40% off. That is freaking dope. Freaking dope. So this goes down to like what, under 100 bucks? I'm gonna look at these because I haven't even seen them. Yeah, this is like the non-textured leather, which I'm not like the biggest fan of, but it is nice and soft. It is nice and soft, and it is a classic colorway right here. Pretty dope. I did skip these. I'm skipping a lot of Jordans, dude. Korea, I did end up spending. I spent, you know, at least a couple, maybe a few $1,000s in Korea. So yeah, I'm kind of laying low. Holiday weekend, so it is pretty crowded here compared to the normal. Let me get to my 10.5. Where my 10.5s at, dog? They do got a refurb here. Going for 80 bucks. What is this? What is this? I was like, ain't this a... Oh, I was like, I thought it was a GT Hustle or something. No, it's a GT Cut Cross. What the hell? I have no clue what the hell that is. 105. Damn, I just realized I need to return one of my white cement 4s. I need to hurry up and do that before 60 days goes over. I don't think it's been 60 days yet. Do got the next gens right here, 100 bucks for these. 40% off, that goes down to 60 bucks. That's not bad at all. Bomeros right here, 120. Infinity Run 4s right here, 85. What is this? Total 90. Quit the Rage? What the hell is this? Is this the indoor soccer shoe that I did see in Korea? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that is it. And these go for 115. Dunk Retro right here. Is this like a special one? Why is this in a Jordan box? It's in a Jordan box. $90. 40% off. This is definitely when you look for any Jordan Retro. Because Jordan Retros for 100 and change, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go see what's up with apparel, especially with 40% off. I do see Tech Fleece. What's going on with Tech Fleece at 40% off? What's the price though? Oh, we got one more. We got a medium, $63, 40 off on top. Really? Wow, that's freaking dope. That comes out to what, like 40 bucks? Under $40. Under $40. $38. They got a few of them. They got mediums. They got smalls. That's what I'm talking about. And they actually fit me, unlike the Korea ones. Crazy. But these are mediums too. Trying to think what I would wear with that. Do I have like a black? I don't have any black top for the Tech Fleece. $60. But at that price, you just keep it, and then you can find something else that matches better. $42 for this sweats right here. $65 for these. God damn, look at how freaking baggy these are. Holy crap. These are double XL, but crazy baggy. The camo one right here. That's not the price. I threw it in the pocket. This was also in the pocket. It looks like all the tags are falling off. $65 for that one too, so 38 bucks. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. Or you guys could wear this so you don't get run over. $35 for these running shorts. Got Jordan running shorts right here in a University Blue, 40 bucks. Got Mamba Mentality t-shirts right here. This screen pressed though, not stitched in, $32. You get an extra 40 off though. Extra 40 off. That's what I'm talking about. The quality is pretty mediocre. It's like a generic Nike t-shirt, dude. Damn, if the quality was better, I'd definitely jump on that. $17, $18, something like that. Got a Jordan t-shirt going for the same price. Tech Fleece. This is not a hoodie, just a regular sweatshirt. Colors definitely interesting. Hint of yellow. Was it 130 bucks? So damn. Nike hoodie right here. Super lightweight. It is a dry fit though. $52. USA Olympic team, 25 bucks. Sunday red polo right here, 40 bucks. Tech pack. This is like pretty big though. It's quadruple XL. Windbreaker, 100 bucks. Nike running pullover, 50. All right, let's finish out the back wall. So let me show you guys an example of extended size pricing. These are $100 right here. Look at the size 11, $80 for these right here. And the grade tag shows you it is extended size priced. So bigger sizes, really small sizes, they will change the size because they don't move as quick as the more common sizes. And they usually do that with sneakers that have been sitting around a little bit longer. P6000, $60. An extra 40 off on top. Infinity Run 4 right here. These are going for $80. Airspans, 80 bucks. Really? Nike Gatos right here going for retail. At least you get 40 off. Another P6000 right here, $70. $40 for this. Look at this, 40 freaking dollars. Are you serious? 40 bucks. Are you serious? 40 bucks and then 40 off, so $24. 24 effing dollars for these. Oh my damn, I could use another daily runner like for $24. $24 really? Color's awful, but 24 bucks. Been using my Skechers Go Run rides. These ain't bad. These aren't bad. Man, if I can find some Infinity Run 4s for anything close to this, like, dang, dude. All right, let me keep searching. This price is crazy though. I don't know if it's priced right because look at this one right here, 65. But this one's priced at 40, so maybe it is right. More extended size pricing. Vaporfly 3. Or Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. Oh my goodness. Look at the size 15 though. These are freaking huge. But look at that. 130, 40 off on top. Wow. Air Max 1s down here. $50. Big Feet Gang with all kinds of extended size deals. I'm still thinking about those, but I know I shouldn't be buying shoes right now. My running shoes work for me right now. And I have so many other Invincible runs that I haven't even worn yet. Damn, dude, they're just teasing me though. I did forget to check the big sizes in the women's just to see if they have any extended size deals or steals. Got some Infinity Run 4s right here. 100 bucks though, so not seeing the deals. Pegasus Plus, regular price though. Metcon or free Metcon 6s, $70. That's a hell of a price. Blazer Low Platform, $60. There's no way these are extended. Yeah, see, no extended size pricing on those. Definitely no Invincibles. Even if those Pegasus, the Pegasus Turbos. Oh, I call them Pegasus. Those Pegasus Plus were like really good price, but no. I thought I saw a worker just walk by right here. Look at this. Damn, if it was size 11, I would grab it. But it's an 11 and a half. Son of a monkey. 40% off, $225. Holy crap. Damn, I can't do an 11 and a half. God dang it. And look, they got two different pairs right here. And then look, they also got one of these. That's what I'm talking about. Size 13 as well. Damn, people returning these left and right. I still have one to return. Damn. Then do got the Grape 5s right here being returned. Got the Nike Air on the butt. Yeah, these are pretty cool. But these are hella fire. I just wish they had my size. Let me check the size. 10, 10.5, 11. Damn. And then of course I did check the 10, 10.5s, 11s, and no, they just came out with two 11.5s. God dang it. Story of my life. I'm trying on the 11.5s. They're huge. I mean, 11 might work, 11.5. They're way too big. God dang it. Oh, did I miss this? Or did they just bring this out too? Size 12.5 UNC Reimagined Jordan 1 high OGs, 140, and then Another. Oh my goodness, really? Holy cow, holy cow. Damn, that hurts me to put that back. I wish I can get that for somebody. Kobe 9 Elites right here as well. I think they brought all this stuff out, man. I just checked this a little while ago. These are still going for $250. I think I did hit on a little restock. Dang, they got it like right after I left this area. Damn. Oh, it looks like they've been restocking and I just didn't notice. Also focused on my video. Okay, I don't see anything crazy. Nothing else crazy. I've already seen plenty of good stuff. Damn, I would love to find a white cement for my size just so I can get it for discount and then return my pairs. Dang it, dang it. All right, we'll definitely knock out the clearance section. But want to see what else they have on sale in apparel. Do got these right here, $50. You get an extra 30% off for. Are these cargos? They're not cargos with elastic top, are they? Them in black as well. And swimming trunks? I think these are swimming trunks, no? Yeah, swimming trunks. Do got the netting on the inside. $45. You get an extra 30 off. Got 2 different colors. Oh, bottoms only right here. These are going for $46. Got sweats, $42 right here. 40% off on top. It is pretty lightweight. You got some running shorts, $20. $20 for these running shorts. Then you get another 40 off. 40% off this section is. I don't know if this is included because it's usually all running stuff. It says running right there. It's running. $32 for that. Got running shorts right here. These bad boys come for $32. It says $32.25 off for these, but you still do get 40 off of that one right there. 40 off of 60, right? Yeah, 40 off 60. But on this side, you do get 40 off. It's kind of interesting. It's like 10 minutes later. Look at this. When you get lucky with the restock, like size 13, size 11 and a half still there. Oh wait, yeah, so all 3 of them are there. The 5s are still there as well. The 1s, they're still here. I can't believe these have already been marked down to $140 and then another freaking discount on top. Holy crap, that comes out to what does that come out to, like $70? Holy crap. All right, let's knock out the smaller sizes. I think I did forget to show these. I saw these. No, not this one, not this one. That's $70. I saw these and a few other sizes. I forgot to show them. $80 for these. These are the Gore-Tex ones. Jordan 1 mids go for $90. Camo 90s right here go for $130. Lunar Roams go for $70. What are these? What Jordans? I don't know what the hell. These are $145 though. Dude got these Pegasus 41s. Safari color will go for $80. 7.5 Jordan Flight Courts right here, $105. What's going on right here? What's going on right here? $130 for these, 40% off. That's not bad. Size 9.5, $130, 40 off. That's actually not bad at all. But the sizing just doesn't really work. No, I don't know anybody that needs a 9.5 women's or size 8 men's. All right, let's move on to the aisles. I see a couple of witnesses. Same price, different color tags for whatever reason. Immortality 3s. I just grabbed one of these for hella cheap. Didn't I see one of these on the back wall? $90 for these. On Lowe's. I got some of the generic Jordans right here. The rest of the wall, I believe. Air Max 1s. All kinds of slides. Run Next Gen Amped. Got the Cortez. See, there's any extended size love or nothing. Nah. These, I have a feeling these are gonna go down. I'm gonna have to pull the trigger if this goes under 50. P6000. Another one of those. Some Dunks. Those Cortez. They're terrible for us wide footers, but I don't care. I like that classic. I like that classic Forrest Gump colorway. Do got Air Max 2017s, couple of Lunar Roams right here, Pegasus 2005s going down. Dang, got a ton of those. You got the B grade Air Max 90s right here. And after someone pointed out that, hey, it's the midsole, yeah, that coloring looks awful, dude. Holy crap. Some Air Max DNs. They are going down in price. Look at that. Holy crap. And then, yeah, checking running shoes. Nothing crazy. Got some Infinity Run 4s. We've seen those cheap at Ross, though. So I wouldn't pull the trigger at $99.99. Moving over to the women's clearance. Well, I do see some Jordan 1 lows. $90 for these SEs right here. Not bad. $90. Do get an extra 40 off. So what's that, like under $50? Pegasus Plus, I saw one with no price tag earlier. $130 for this one. Look at this Gamma Force. Gamma Force right here. $30? Are you serious? $30, 40% off on top. So what's that, like 18 bucks? Holy crap. That is a size 11. That's a size 11 women, so 9.5 men's. Look at that. Almost free. Damn, wait, do I need a size 11? Maybe I did need a size 11. Do I need a size 11? I'm trying to remember no, that's not a size 11, dang it. I think I have a friend who might need this, especially for that price. Look at that, holy crap, dude. That's just crazy. 18 bucks, 18 effing dollars for Gamma Forces. All right, let's knock out the back wall for the women's. Do got Air Max DNs. 270s, I keep telling you guys, are always sell out at full price. Or at least like close to full price. Got some Blazers. Got some Dunks. A Photon Dust. I don't know what color that is. All white Forces. Vomero 5s. Some Free Metcon 6s. That's a pretty solid price. Price going down, but oh, some 5s right here. And they got these Invincible Runs right here. $130. Price a little bit high. Higher than I want to pay at least. And then do got these Juniper Trails budget Nike Trail shoes right here. Price, look at that price though, damn. All right, let me pay for this. My kid's waiting for me right here. So I'm gonna pay for this and we're gonna get the hell out of here, dude. There's one spot I want to stop by. Hopefully I can, we'll see. $18 for Gamma Forces for one of my friends. That's crazy, man. This is why we come here, man. This is why we do our thing. Let me grab my kiddo. I don't know about you guys, I always gotta check, especially when they have dope restocks like that. I always gotta check. Do they have any size 10.5s, 10s, 11? Nah, I always gotta check just in case, man. I'm so paranoid. Nike outlet Torrance. Some of them got you with 40% off. And look at this right here. People are returning these 11.5 right here. Don't got my size. They got 11.5 for 40% off. That's what I'm talking about. I also got a size 13 here as well. Also got one of these. Great 5 to be able to get 40% off. Pretty dope. These are size 10. Oh, size 11. And all kinds of extended size love. Look at this. Infinity Run 4s for $24 after the discount. I'm really thinking about this one. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. These are going for $130. These are size 15 though. Not every Nike outlet does have 40% off this weekend though, so make sure you check out your local spot. Got a full video coming out. Cool Kids YouTube channel. Check it out.